I'm giving a brief update regarding the policy analysis in Zimbabwe. So to conduct the policy analysis, we reviewed 13 policies and also we supplemented the data with the interviews from key informant interviews, 2 at national level and 4 at subnational level. So to guide the review of the policy documents, we first co-developed a matrix that was informed by the policy analysis triangle. So in that matrix, it is with several column headings like the actors, the processes, the context, and also the process that are involved in policy implementation and also in policy formulation. So overall, we observed that our policies are developed at the national level, but also there are several tiers like the national, the provincial, the district, and also the ward level. But the policies are basically formulated at the national level. But at the implementation level, that is the municipality and also the local level, they are provided with indicators that they use to collect data that will fit into the M&E policies. With regards to the context, Zimbabwe has been experiencing recurrent droughts and also floods. The most notable floods are those that were caused by cyclones. Recently, we had a cyclone which caused widespread devastation, especially in the eastern Zimbabwe. So there has also been an increase in climate-sensitive diseases such as malaria and also cholera and other diarrheal diseases. So this is the context in which all these policies were developed. But I must also hasten to say that that international policies also influenced the development of several policies in Zimbabwe, like the Paris Agreement, which was developed in 2016. It was domesticated in Zimbabwe, where we got the national climate policy, and also which also led to development of several policies. So, in terms of actors, the main actor was the Minister of Environment, Climate and Wildlife, which is the main actor for the various policies, and it also coordinates the various policies within Zimbabwe. Then, in terms of implementation, the main implementation department is the Climate Change Management Department, but that department is only represented at the central level, and it doesn't have structures at the provincial, the district, and also at the local level where actual implementation. So the key take-home message from our policy analysis is that we don't have a policy that speaks specifically to health workforce resilience and also health infrastructure development. So that is the one of the main points. We also observed that there is a weak coordination between the Ministry of Health and other sectors, so that needs to be strengthened. Then funding challenges were also identified by the key informant interview, and this is affecting implementation of various policies. I must also say that some of the challenges we observed were mainly structural. For example, the implementation lead, which is the Climate Change Management Department, doesn't have structures at the national, provincial, and also the district level, and that is a major gap. I hope the climate change management bill that has been ratified by the parliament is going to address the funding, both the funding challenges and also to operationalize and to improve the operations of the climate change management bill.